Have you always wanted to learn machine embroidery but are unsure where to start? Or maybe you've tried machine embroidery and want to learn more techniques to expand your skills. The Sulky Embroidery Zen online workshops will take you through dozens of fun projects that reinforce fundamentals and explore more advanced concepts. Learn all about working with different types of thread, how to choose the right stabilizer for projects, hooping hints, and more. With industry experts at your side and in the comfort of your own home at your own pace, Sulky Embroidery Zen is your guide to machine embroidery enlightenment. Register today for all access to video instruction and tons of design files that are yours to keep forever.